Hi, this is Danica, and in this video, we're gonna talk about one of the available add-ons from Wisdom Labs, which is allowing your members to join to your group. So do note that this also works with WooCommerce, but in this video, we're gonna focus on using the group coupon. So I had this project where a client wants to allow their members to join to one of their groups. So they have this different cohort and they want to allow their members to self-register and just provide a coupon for that one. So they're not using any payment integration yet with example WooCommerce. So I assume that the payment processing they have is direct like B2B in their end. So we did the research and found this add-on from Wisdom Labs which allows you to have your members join to a group using a group coupon. Do note that the group registration has different functionality. It integrates with WooCommerce, but in this video, we're gonna focus on that group coupon integration that it could do. So if you have any question regarding this, just comment it down below and I'll do my best to include that in my future videos. So for this one, let's get started. Okay, so if you visit wisdomlabs.com and under, just gonna go to the home page. So under products, they have LearnDash products and then group registration. So this is the add-on that we're using. So check out this page and you will learn more what other things it could do. But for this video, we're gonna focus on the group registration, specifically using with a coupon. So here's the back end of a WordPress site that I have set up the Wisdom Labs group registration with. In here, you could see that once you have installed the add-on, you will have this group registration settings and group codes. So first, let's just go to the group registration settings. And once you're in here, you have different tabs. In my case here, I'm going to focus on the group codes. So in the group codes, you need to enable it before this group codes to show up. So once you've enabled that, then this part will show up. The next one is you need to assign an enrollment or registration page and then paste this code. So if I go to my pages, sign up. So after you have your short code added in the sign up page, then you also need to make sure another thing in your settings. So under settings, general, you need to make sure that anyone can register is enabled in here for this to work. So after you've enabled the anyone can register, you then save the changes and that should do it. So in here, you do have additional options like you could redirect them after successful enrollment to a specific page, maybe like a thank you page that you could design. So you could do that and then save your changes. Again, after you do this, group code is now added or enabled for you. So here's one of the group codes that I created. So in here, when you create a group code, the name is also going to be basically the code. And then you set the from date and the to date. And then you set which group they will be enrolled to. This is a LearnDash group, so do note on that one. And then you could set how many enrollment you want to limit it to. Now this website is also using BodyBoss, as you can see. And the way this website works is the groups in here and then the LearnDash group works together because they have forums and discussions set for their members. But in your case, maybe you're just using LearnDash alone, but the process is going to be exactly the same. So you need to have an existing group first before you set up your group coupon. So an example in here is we do have this link. So the link cohort 11. If I click this, you could see that you also need to set up the group registration limit in here. And you also need to set up which courses are you gonna give out to those members who will be part of this group. If you need more in-depth tutorial about LearnDash group, let me know and I will include that in my next videos. So once you have done that and once you have set up your group code, you can then use this code to share it to your members and allow them to self-register to your website using this. Now, since under settings, group registration settings, group code, since we have set up in here where you want them to enroll sign up page, you will notice that if I go to, like, I'm just gonna log out. So if you go here and you try to, this is a default WordPress login page. It's just styled nicely because it's using the BodyBoss theme. But if I decide to create an account, automatically it will pull that page that you created and set. So in here, if I go, like, I set my first name, last name, and let's just say Mentor04, and then let's just say that one, and then I'm gonna set my password here, and then I try to submit without entering the group code that we just created. So it's gonna say please enter a valid group code. So one of the nice thing about this is even if you have enabled anyone can register to your website, since you have the group code required, then they need to have a working code before they can register. So your website is not gonna be attacked by those spammers who will try to just go inside your website and see what you have. So in here, I need to use my group code. In this case, I have this as an example. If I click submit, it's gonna say congratulations, you have successfully been enrolled in the respective group. Now, so since we did not enable the redirecting members to a specific page after they sign up, then we are staying in this page and then we need to check our email. So when we open our email, we will receive a message like this one. So I do have my username and I do have my password. So I'm gonna copy that and I'm gonna try to log in again and see if that works. So I'm gonna paste my username and I'm also gonna paste my password here. And as you can see, I am now logged in to the website as a member, and if I go to the dashboard, I could see that I'm a member of this cohort, and I could also see that I do have access to this specific course. So I just want to keep this video short. I just want to introduce this add-on plugin from Wisdom Labs. So if you want to allow your members to do self-registration and limit that to which group they go through, and maybe you just want to provide a group coupon code or something, then the Wisdom Labs group registration add-ons is the plugin that will help you achieve that functionality. Again, if you have any question, let me know and I will do my best to answer those. And again, thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe and notification button so that I keep you posted whenever I have videos like this. And yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.